Hello everyone, Sarah here from Blue Lotus Films. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to create an effective sales video. An effective sales video will get you new leads, help gain brand awareness, and increase trust with your potential clients. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. I share video production and video marketing tutorials for wellness business owners to increase their visibility, generate leads, and increase their income. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when I release new videos every week. So let me ask you a question. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, could a business video be worth 1,000 sales? It's an intriguing question, right? So if you're watching this video, you likely already know about the power of video marketing. If you still for any reason aren't convinced that videos can help increase your sales, then go here to watch this video. In a nutshell, the great thing about videos is that they are a visually engaging medium that helps create an emotional bond with your audience. So first off, I'm not going to give you a cookie cutter formula on how to create a sales video. I will, however, tell you what not to do and what you do need to do. So first off, don't top load your videos right at the beginning with a bunch of statistics. The power of video is being able to make a personal connection with your audience. So please don't think that a bunch of impressive statistics with a fancy doodle drawing is going to wow your audience. Think about this deeply for a minute. What is more memorable? An inspirational quote graphic, a bunch of statistics, or someone sharing their message in a way that emotionally resonates in our hearts? Number 2, don't talk about the features and benefits of your product or service. Now you're probably really scratching your head. Here's the thing. Great brands know how to make an emotional connection with their potential customers. Too many business owners are bragging about the features and benefits of their product or service, but customers are really thinking about the feelings they'll have from using your product or service. You have to first connect with your customers on an emotional level before they even care about the fine details of your product or service. So how do you connect with your customers' emotions? How do you connect with their heart's desires? It's not really that hard. First, you need to think about why you are making your product or service. Why do you feel so passionate? And as a heart-centered business owner, why do you believe so deeply in what you do every day? You know that your product or service can transform lives. You likely have your very own story that compelled you to start your business and provide a product or service. Share your story. Tell others why you became so compelled to bring your business into fruition. Talk about your passion, your personal story of transformation. Number 2, let your audience know about your past customers. How have they used your product or service? You don't need to give a full case study, but instead simply share your customer's story of transformation. Storytelling is an extremely powerful way for your audience to relate to you and understand the transformation that your product or service can provide. It's really quite simple when you think about it. There's too much noise in the current online marketplace, so you have to find a way to effectively cut through that noise. Storytelling on video will emotionally resonate with your audience and help them learn to trust you. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. Please like this video and comment below because I would love to hear from you. Subscribe to my channel for more video production and video marketing tutorials every week. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a great day.